Rent smarter with Heather Delamarter in lovely Vero Beach. Introducing a Berkshire Hathaway, Florida Realty rental property. To schedule your own tour, call 772-321-3056. Booking now. Season 2023! Also now through December for off-season. Oceanfront views with pool. Available also for off-season periods of 2021. Top floor with Restoration Hardware Decor. Beautifully updated kitchen and bathrooms. W&amp, D-stackable in unit. Centrally located to all shopping and dining. Heated pool, 1-car parking, storage closet. Close to Jaycee Park and Boardwalk.